Responsible AI is a part of our ethos. Our serious commitment to this is demonstrated by the fact that we are one of the co-founders of Confiance.ai and one of the members of the European Trustworthy AI Association and Positive AI. Having said that, we have gone beyond just committing on this on paper. We've embedded it as a part of our development life cycle. AI is a part of the larger solution that we have typically always developed for our customers. So we apply the same engineering rigor to the AI solutions as we apply to the others. So all the hygiene in terms of the architectural rigor, the frameworks, the methodologies, and the traceability that we apply to the typical engineering projects are applied to the AI projects as well. To add to that, we do not believe that bigger is better. So for us, the driving principle is to provide the right solution for the right problem statement. So what we are driven by what is needed to fulfill the customer's requirements. So, and we go by the right fit, and we never try to sort of give the biggest solution that is possible. That has helped us not only in terms of controlling the cost of deployment and monitoring, but also aligns with our goals in terms of responsible AI. To ensure that this hygiene is maintained by all the development teams across the group, we have an asset called Innerdata, for which the MLOps scaffolding has already been put in place with all the right tools, technologies, frameworks, and processes. Depending on the use case, the right tools are embedded into the software development lifecycle of this project. What we abide by was ensuring that we do not sort of go for stuffing AI where it is not required. So the due diligence is always maintained, and we believe that well started is well finished. So what we do is we start in a right manner by seeing whether it requires AI or not and what type of AI is required. Throughout the life cycle, we embed trust by design, and we do not try to retrofit, and we conclude by putting human in the loop and putting all the monitoring mechanisms in place. That's how we have ensured that responsible AI is developed by design.